Hello everybody. So in today's video, let us do one problem on Newton's forward interpolation formula. Right? Now let us go for interpolation formula. First, let us see how we will write the method of doing this. Then let us take one example so that you can understand very easily. So now I am taking some x variables, y variables. The first difference, right? Second difference, third difference, fourth difference, and fifth difference. Right? So now here let us take some values such as x naught plus h, x naught plus 2h, right? Okay, x naught plus 3h, x naught plus 4h, x naught plus 5h. In such a way, I took x values. Now, let y values be y naught, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5. Corresponding y values for x values. Now, first difference means, how we will write means, y1 minus y naught, that I will write it as delta y naught. y2 minus y1, delta y1. y3 minus y2, delta y2. y4 minus y3, delta y3. y5 minus y4, delta y4. Now next again, the second difference, delta y1 minus delta y naught. We will have delta square y naught. Delta y2 minus delta y1, we will write it as delta square y1. Delta y3 minus delta y2, delta square y2. Delta y4 minus delta y3, delta square y3. Now third difference, delta square y1 minus delta square y naught, delta cube y naught. Delta square y2 minus delta square y1, delta cube y1. Delta square y3 minus delta square y2, delta square y2. Now again fourth difference, delta cube y1 minus delta cube y naught, delta cube, delta to the power of 4 y naught. Delta square y2 minus delta cube y1, delta to the power of 4 y1. Now fifth difference, these two, delta 4 y1 minus delta 4 y naught equal to delta 5 y naught, in such a way. Alright, so this we call it as forward difference. This we call it as forward difference. Now to understand this, let us do one problem related to it, so that easily you will understand this method. So as a problem, so he gave find the missing values. Find the missing values in a above given table. right? So table he gave us some x values, y values. X values as 45, okay, now 50, 55, 60, 65. Y values some 3.0 dash 2.0 dash minus 2.4. So these values he gave. So now he is asking to find these two missing numbers by using this forward difference method, interpolation forward difference method. First, let us write this in the same format which I explained above. So now let us see. Now here, so first x, right, y, next delta y, next delta square y, delta cube y, right. X what he gave, I am writing down here, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65 he gave x. Now y what he gave, first y naught equal to 3, next y1 he gave dash, I said no, y2 as 2, again dash y3, y4 minus 2.4. Now y1 and y3 the missing letters we have to find. So now here I am writing delta y. Now what we will do? Delta y means y1 minus 3. Let us write no. Now next 2 minus y1. Right. Next y3 minus 2. Next minus 2.4 minus y3. This is delta y. Next delta square y means this minus this, this minus this, this minus this, right. So first 2 minus y1 minus y1 minus 3, okay. So minus minus, I will write in such a way, what we will get, y minus y1 minus y1 minus 2y1 minus minus plus 3 plus 2 5, so 5 minus 2y1. Next what I have to do, this minus this no, so y3 minus 2 minus 2 minus y1, right. Now what I will get, minus minus plus no, plus y1. Next here y3 is there, plus y3, minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 I got, right. Now next what I will do, this minus this, that is minus 2.4 minus y3 minus of y3 minus 2. So what I will get, here y3 is there, minus y3 minus y3 minus 2y3, right. Minus 2.4 minus minus what we will get, plus no, minus 2.4 plus 2 what we will get, minus 0.4. So minus 0.4 minus minus y3 minus y3 minus 2y3, right. Next what we will do, del cube y, this minus this, this minus this, so y1 plus y3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 2y1, what it becomes, y1 minus minus plus no, so it becomes y1 plus 2y1, 3y1. Now next y3 is there, plus y3 minus 4 minus 5, how much it becomes, minus 9. right? Now next, this minus this, that is minus 0.4 minus 0.4 minus 2y3 minus y1 plus y3 minus 4. So first you write down minus 0.4 minus minus plus, no, plus 4, 4.0 minus 0.4. What you will get? 3.6 you will get, right? So 3.6. Again here minus y3 minus 2y3 minus 3y3. Next minus y1 is there, minus 3y3. Next delta square 4 you have to do. So this is final. Now here delta square 4. Now before doing that final, he asked to find the missing letters y1, y3. So what we will do? The next. Now what we got, I am writing here. So what we got? The first one, in delta cube y minus 3y1 plus y3 minus 9 one I got, right? Now next one what I got, 3.6 minus y1 minus 3y cube I got, right? So now we have to find the missing letters. As here all entries are given as y0, y2 and y4. Y can be represented as second degree polynomial, no? So now here entries you see y0, y2, y4 only he gave. So we can say it as a second degree polynomial. And for second degree polynomial, we can write, one second, delta cube y0 equal to 0, delta cube y1 equal to 0. Am I right? Now this becomes delta cube y0, and that is delta cube y0, and this becomes delta cube y1. As this is second degree polynomial, minus 3y1 plus y3 minus 9 equal to 0. 3.6 minus y1 minus 3y3 equal to 0. Now let us solve it, no? Okay. For solving, here I will write this in a systematic way first. So minus 3y1 plus y3 minus 9 equal to 0. y1 here minus y1 minus 3y3 plus 3.6. The same thing I wrote in a systematic way, right? Now here now I will multiply this with 3, right? What happened? Minus 9y1 plus 3y3 minus 27 equal to 0, right? Now next, here this as it is I am writing minus y1 minus 3y3 plus 3.6 is equal to 0. Now this plus and minus are of same value, it strikes off. So minus minus 9, here 9y1, y1, what it becomes? Minus 10 y1. Now next, to minus 27 minus 3.6, minus, here I will write minus 27 3.6, what we will get? 4 20 minus 23, so minus 23.4. Now I want y, one value, so minus 10 y1 equal to 23.4, or y1 equal to 23.4 by minus 10. So now y1 what I will get? Divided by 10. Okay, so divided by 10, so minus is there, 2.34 I will get, right? 2.34. So 9 3s are 27. y3 is striked off, minus y1 plus 3.6, 10 y1, this is 23.4. So minus 10 y1 equal to 23.4. Okay, so now we got y1. So 3y1, sorry, I did a small mistake. This is plus 3y1. Sorry, 3y1 plus y3 minus 9. So it becomes plus 9y1. So 9 minus 9y1 minus y1, it becomes 8y1. So it also becomes plus. So divided by 8. So what we will get? 23.4 divided by 8. So 8 2s are 16. So 13 minus 6, 7. Again 0.4, keep point here. So 8 9s are 72. And we will get 20. So again 8 2s are 16. Again we will get 40, 8 5s are. So y1 value is 2.925. Alright. So y1 value is, this is plus not minus, sorry. So y1 value is 2.95. Now let us substitute this y1 in any of these equation, so that we will get y2. Right? Now here I am substituting y1 in 3.6 minus y1 minus 3y3 equal to 0. So 3.6 minus y1, that is 2.925 minus 3y3 equal to 0. Or minus, or 3y3 I am bringing to this side, 3y3 equal to, now what we have, 3.6 minus 2.925. So now y3 equal to 3.6 minus 2.925 divided by 3. Now if we simplify, the y3 value will be equal to 0.225. So in such a way, we will find the missing letters by using the forward formula. So this is the formula. These two we will do minus, we will get this. Again these two we will do minus, we will get this. Again these two, delta y2, y4 y3 delta y3, y5 y4 delta y4. And after getting this, again y1 delta y1 minus delta y0, we will get delta square y0. Delta y2 minus delta y1, delta square y1. Delta 3 minus delta y2, delta square y2. And delta 4 minus delta y3, delta square y3. And again delta square y1 minus delta square y0, delta cube y0. Delta cube y0 square y2 minus delta square y1, delta cube y1. Delta square y3 minus delta square y2, delta cube y2. And again delta cube y1 minus delta cube y0, delta 4 y0. Delta cube y2 minus delta cube y1, delta 4 y1. and again these two minus delta phi y naught, right? In such a way we will do the forward difference, and in such a way only here he gave the values. You see the same method I followed. First these two minus, again these two, again these two, again these two, and you got these answers, no? Again these two, these two, these two difference I took, and again these two difference, these two differences, and at last we want to find the missing letters, so I solved these two and got y1 and y2 answers. So if you like my videos, like it, share it and subscribe it. Okay, thank you.